Hello, this is Andrew from SPROG DCC. Welcome back. In this short video, I'm going to talk about saving and restoring the node configuration for an LCC node. You can see on the screen here the configuration dialog for a Servo IO LCC node. I've set up one of the outputs to be a pulsed output with a 1 second period on and off, and I've set up some events to turn it on and off and to report when the output changes. If I send the event to turn on the output, you'll see we have regular events shown in the traffic monitor, and you can probably just about see the LED flashing on the board. Now I can turn it off and there are no further events produced. To save the configuration, click the backup button at the bottom of the configuration window. Navigate to somewhere to save the file, enter a file name and click Save. It's a good idea to make backups once you've finished configuring a node, but you can also make backups as often as you like during the configuration process, in case you need to go back a step after making a mistake. What I'm going to show now, however, is restoring the setup to a completely different node. You might want to do this if a node develops a fault and needs to be replaced, or if you wish to copy the setup from one node to another to then be edited for the new node. We'll see the new node has appeared in the network tree, but what I'll do is refresh that so that the old node that's no longer connected disappears. Now I'm going to open this node, open the configuration dialog, and we can see this is a new node with no previous settings. So now click the Restore button, choose the file that we saved earlier, and all of the information is loaded. We need to save the changes and update complete to write everything to the node. Now I can send the on event, and you'll see that the new node is now producing the same events. And turn it off. This illustrates an important feature of LCC, that any node can send any event. A new from the factory node has all of its default events set up based on the node ID. So our original node was 22 and all the event IDs are based on that node ID. But now we've loaded the configuration onto a new node with a node ID of 29, but it's still sending the same events. Using the node ID as the basis for the default event IDs is merely a convenience to guarantee unique event IDs. You don't have to use that numbering scheme. You can use any event numbering scheme you wish on your layout. So that's how easy it is to save and restore the node configuration of an LCC node. I hope this was useful, and thanks for watching. Please do consider liking our videos and subscribing to the channel. That's all for now. Bye.